Today we are heading to Sattahip from Bangkok by car and we'll be stopping in Pattaya for an ATV ride to a tiny waterfall. We will also be visiting a few temples and getting some stinky durian. Buckle up and let's go! Our first stop is our favorite Italian restaurant in Pattaya. We have ordered pizza for lunch and they are cooked in a traditional oven. Yummy! Pizza. We just finished our pizza and now we are heading to the ATV. We had half an hour to kill before we head to the ATV, so we decided to stop at this temple. We made another small stop at this temple, which is painted all white. And I forgot my glasses in my car, so it's very difficult to walk around here without them. You go to the temple, you need to remove your shoes. We have arrived at the ATV site. You get to wear these awesome shirts. First, the instructor assigned us to our ATVs and then explained how to operate them. And once we were ready, they had us complete 2 laps around the practice circuit to get used to navigating through the mud and tight currents. This is my 3rd time riding an ATV and I can assure you that this is not complicated at all. I recommend wearing lightweight clothing as it can get very hot out here, and also be sure to wear something you don't mind getting dirty, and there is no avoiding the mud splashes. Now we are ready to hit the road. The instructors, they are about 4 of them on the dirt bikes, and they will ride ahead and behind us, ensuring that we stay on course and in our lane. We are at Pattaya and we are doing the ATV tour with ATV and Buggy Adventure, doing a 28 kilometers across a farm, I guess. So we're going around for quite some time now, so we're taking some break. Today it's actually a good day to be outside because it's not too hot. It's overcast and we have some cool wind for this afternoon in Pattaya. So we actually booked last minute right after our lunch
maybe 2 hours before the tour started, and there were not many people, so we took, I think, the last 4 spots of the tour. There are quite a lot of people here, I think more than 10. They combined the buggy with the ATV. This tour is very family friendly. I even saw kids riding an ATV here. So if you are planning to go fast and this is not what you want actually, but it's quite nice, I think, for a first time ATV here in Pattaya, and we get to really get to the mud and go to the dirt small road.
We are back on the road riding much more faster than before, and my friend just hit a tree.
A small accident there, but everything is good.
The ride is getting exciting now as we are heading to the waterfall, and the road is a bit narrow and we have to stop to give way to other people.
We have arrived at a waterfall here, a tiny one, very nice.
Look what I found. They're using a plastic bottle of water to drain the trapped water in the rocks. We had to rejoin our group and head back to the ATV site. In total, the riding time was about 2.5 hours.
Halfway through the ATV tour, a guide asked us if we want to separate from the group and go a little bit faster, because frankly speaking it was kind of boring. We were riding at first, I think, less than 20 kilometers per hour. So then we said yes. So then he took us to a very dirt way, and then we went through I don't know, some farms, quite a lot of farm actually, and then we go straight to the waterfall. So we managed to speed up a little bit, but no more than 60 kilometers an hour, but it felt very good at that time. We just parked our ATV and then they told us to come here to relax, get some refreshments, fruits, and they're gonna serve us a burger. It's about 5 p.m. and we're gonna have to start eating now.
This is the burger that comes with the tour. So let's try. That's a lot of sauce.
I think that's like the family into my face.
This is good. The vegetables are fresh. We finished our ATV tour and now we are heading to a hotel. We booked the hotel a little bit last minute, so everything was overbooked, but we managed to find a hotel not too far from the beach. It's called Navy Hotel at Sattahip. So my expectation is very low for this hotel because it's very cheap, but let's see how it's gonna turn out. We have arrived to the Navy Hotel, and you can see right behind me, that's the beach, and there's a walking street with some street food along the beach. So that's our plan for this evening. But first, let's get ready and change
before we go out. This hotel was not even found on the internet actually. My friend called the hotel to book instead because everywhere was already overbooked. It's long weekend here in Thailand, so you want to plan in advance. If not, you're gonna end up with this. Let's see. We are right in front of the building. Actually, there are so many buildings in this hotel, and we are in building number 3. And outside, it doesn't look very great. So, you know what? Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, the comment on the video, or even keep the video rolling when you're not watching, because I need more subscribers to afford a nicer hotel. It's not easy to keep up with the travel content when you are a new YouTuber.
In the Navy.
Here we go. So, first thing, there's no lift and we are on the 3rd floor. So we're gonna have to take the stairs.
Yes, so I just wanted to...
Revealing time. It's a bit dark here. We're looking for
Light switch.
alright, some lights here.
Separate beds, that's the way I like it.
Okay, let's look at the conditions.
It's got walls, it's got walls.
Well, we have 2 separate beds. We have an AC. That's very nice. And we do have a view. All right. That is not too bad. That is not too bad. Okay. And the shower. All right, it doesn't look too bad. I think we manage. I guess we are not as adventurous as McQueen on street food, so we are going to find a seafood restaurant nearby instead of the street food that we saw just now. Come. We found this very nice restaurant. It's right on the beach, but it's raining, so we need to move inside. We ordered some prawn, the curry crab, and some squid, and of course the famous tom yum noodles that we are eating almost halfway through. We are the only table in this restaurant. The food is okay, only not fantastic, guys. I would say not very satisfying, but it will do for today.
The dinner was obviously not enough, so we had to have this durian. Love it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye bye.